Hey there! As you know, we try to keep a budget while exploring life on the beautiful island of Crete.
In this video, we're sharing how we collect and prepare reclaimed wood for our DIY home and garden projects. From pallets to old planks, and with just a few basic tools, we've built everything from raised beds to a lounger and more. It's about spotting potential where other people see waste. The satisfaction of building with your own two hands and turning trash into treasure, one board at a time.
We started noticing the stacks of discarded pallets behind local businesses and the leftover wood at waste dump sites. These places don't look glamorous, but to us, they're gold mines. So, why buy new when you can reuse? Reclaimed wood has a beauty you just can't buy. Every knot, stain and a nail hole tells a story. Plus, it's better for the planet. Every pallet we save means one less in landfill and one less tree cut down. We try to collect mostly heat-treated pellets because those are safe for garden use. Check for the IPPC logo and look for the letters HT, heat-treated. That means the pellet that was baked in an oven to kill pests. Other pellets might be fine for furniture or storage racks, but for garden projects, HT is the way to go. We don't have a fancy workshop. This is it, our open air workspace. Getting the pellets is easy. Breaking them down, that's where the real work begins. It's sweaty, splintery and takes patience. Elle prefers using a pry bar and hammer to free the boards intact. It's slower, but you save the full plank. So, we build a simple workbench from 3 pallets, and simple as it is, it made it so much easier to work. Our tools are basic. A cordless drill, a handsaw, clamps and a small sander. No planers, no table saws, no fancy gear, but it's enough to get the job done. We found that cutting nails with a bolt cutter, cutting them loose and pulling them out works best. Oh, and when sanding, always wear a mask. You don't want to breathe in the wood dust, especially when you don't know what might be in it. Little by little, a pile of ugly pallets becomes a neat stack of planks. From sun-bleached silver to deep brown, each ready for a new life. We're not trained woodworkers, so every project is a learning curve. Working with pallet wood means embracing imperfection, warped boards, uneven thickness, but instead of fighting it, we let that rustic look be part of the charm. First thing I made was a planter table. Not beautiful, not super strong, but perfect for working with our plants at a comfortable height. Elle built a shelving unit from leftover 4x4s and pallet planks to bring order to our storage room. And then the lounger, Ellen's first furniture build. For a first try, it turned out really amazing. We didn't have much footage of it, but later in this video you'll see her make a small table to go with it. The raised beds were simple but solid. 2 full-length planks per side, half planks for the ends. Ella pre-drilled all screw holes to prevent splitting. Join the long planks with scrap wood. And use 4x4s for corners. She then reinforced the middle so it wouldn't bulge. The second bed was even quicker thanks to our new pallet workbench. On filled, we dug them in, filled them with soil, and planted them up. And I even got a handy plant rack, probably so I'd stop using Ellen's table for my plants. Even offcuts can become something useful. Ella loves to relax on a lounger with a book and a drink, which of course means she needed a side table. She made this one from pallet blocks and leftover planks. cut, drill, screw, sand, and then a bit of paint. It fits right in. So, why not just buy new wood? Sure, it's easier, but reusing saves money and keeps things out of the landfill. It's hard work, there are frustrations, splinters, and plenty of trial and error, but the reward is huge. It's taught us new skills, patience, and to see the resources around us differently. If you build something from reclaimed wood, tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your ideas. More builds are on the way, so hit subscribe so you don't miss them. Well, thanks for watching. Bye bye. If you build something from reclaimed, if you have built something from reclaimed wood, maybe your own trash to treasure project is waiting to be. Maybe your own trash to treasure. Maybe your own trash to treasure.